Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this PUBG poster on ChatGPT. You're going to enter this prompt. I might just put this as well on the description box down below. Hopefully I'll remember to put in the prompt. Then you're going to want to screenshot your character as well as your profile info. I'm just going to put the info first and then the character here, and then I'm just going to press enter. Okay, and her, I guess. This is just an example. I'll be right back when it's done generating because it does take a few minutes to do that. And this is what the poster should look like at the end. You can just save that to your files. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.